Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're back with Pattern of the Week. We call this American flag, number LD033DKH. It's 90 centimeters wide. It's transparent blue and red ink. Obviously we're going to use a white base to facilitate the white color in the transparent part of the print. Using a 1 minute soak time 90-degree tank. Kansas Hydrographics Activator. Excuse me. That's our American flag white base coat, and you can purchase this at kansashydrographics.com or eBay, seller name Draft461. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week.